Record. Guys, I'm videoing.
Can you video?
They've got it, yeah.
But could he video instead of Cole, so there's some quality to it?
Yeah, you think he would. Yeah, he might. He's got a good eye.
That's what I mean.
What's that?
For water. Just text him and ask him.
I think he was all over. They were training.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's supervising. Yeah, I think he was all over the ins and outs because he was recording from the ground.
Down here, it's a little warm. Did you get that?
Hello.
How are you? More or less bored.
Well, at least you're getting paid to be more or
I
less
was just
bored.
going to say, don't bitch, you got a job. I know.
I know a lot of people who love to be more or less bored working.
Is Taylor one of them?
Well, any of the kids that work for Mike would love to be more or less bored. Yeah, no kidding, eh? They welcome it.
Haley, when are you going? Because otherwise you're going to be, Kara's going to be doing all our rounds back to back.
Shoot, I don't want to do back.
No, Megan will sort it out.
The link to the pictures were on it.
I sent one to Gina with that.
Perfect.
What number are you?
I'll do that. I'll do that. I don't know what to. We're good.
So you're definitely brown, and then gray line.
Is it yours? Whose is it?
Tanya.
Oh, this is gonna watch you.
See you guys early tomorrow. Yes, 5 o'clock. Yeah, see you guys. It's totally whatever you want to do. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. See you. Bye.